if this actually works, there are really no excuses. If you're anything like me, juicing at home, you don't want to put together a million parts, and you certainly don't want to do the cleaning that goes along with making fresh juice. I'm going to be making a blend that supports beautiful skin. Let's see how this blender works. It has a number of different functions, so you can make nut milks, oat milk, rice milk. I want to try the juicer function because if it works, I would possibly use this every day. I don't prefer to have all of this skin because I don't want it to be super bitter. So I'm just gonna rough chop like this. Apples, these are still pretty big pieces. The oranges are full of antioxidants and they also help boost collagen. The apples promote clear, balanced skin with antioxidants and pectin. Rainbow carrots. Carrots, of course, have vitamin A and help promote skin vitality. Throwing in some ginger to help with circulation and to reduce inflammation. I'm gonna throw a whole beet in there. This helps with circulation and your detoxification pathways. Lemon helps with liver detoxification and just also helps clarify your skin. I've got a whole pineapple. I'm not throwing the whole thing in there, about that much. Gonna throw it in there just like this. Pineapple is amazing for glowing skin. It's great for digestion. And I'm gonna throw a little bit of organic spinach in there. This is gonna expire in a few days and I don't want it to go to waste. So we're gonna just top it off with some spinach. And if you have fruits or veggies that are gonna be expiring soon, making juice is a great way to use them and not go to waste. Okay, so this is completely full. I'm gonna pour a little cup of water in there just to get it nice and smooth. We're gonna put it on the juice setting, run it for a few minutes, and see how this juice turns out. The blender comes with a mesh strainer and a bag strainer. I'm gonna use both. I'm gonna get some of this pulp out. I don't mind a little bit of pulp in mine because the pulp is so healthy for you. All of that natural fiber. Look at that. And the rest is gonna go in this pretty glass. Love drinking my wellness elixirs and juices in a pretty glass because why not? Look at that. So good. And one of the best parts is this is the only thing that I have to clean up. Super convenient, fresh, healthy, nourishing juice. And the last I checked, this is on sale. It's 50% off. Even if it's not on sale when you get to it, it's still a really good price. Go check it out.